Welcome back to another video. So we've got a quick swatch video today. Do you know, I love this when I'm trying a brand that I've never tried before. So these are gel polishes from Amazon. I love this little box, isn't it cute? Giving me Beatles vibes, this box. Everything about this set actually is giving me Beatles vibes. You'll see for yourself in a minute. So this is the box, and this is the brand there, Angmile. And then we've got the take that as you wish. But yeah, it's Soak Off UV LED gel polish. Love this packaging. Right, I've actually got a set of 20 of these as well, but I'm not going to swatch the 20 because I'm going to swatch this one because look, it's neons, just in time for spring, summer. Oh, do you know, I've been dying to get some bright colours out, so I thought this would be the best set to swatch and show you. So again, like Beatles, they've all got the numbers on the top and the colours. Right, so they are glass bottles. They are 7.5ml. Right, and what I've also got with this neon set is, this is a bigger box. This is a 3+3 pack. It's 3 base coats and 3 top coats. And these are huge bottles. These ones are 15ml bottles. So yeah, you get 3 tops and 3 bases. So I'm going to use one of the top coats and one of the base coats. So yeah, they definitely give me Beatles vibes. These do. Let me grab one of my Beatles. So look, this is one of my Beatles. It's a smaller bottle, but they definitely give me Beatles vibes. Look, well, they haven't got numbers on, but even these ones, the feel of the bottle, the finish on it, everything gives me Beatles vibes. But anyway, not about Beatles today, it's about this one, Angmile. So I haven't got any of my normal swatch sticks left, but I have got these ones with 3 on each. It was either them or one of these. So we're going to use these. Right, so we'll start with 1, 2, 3, and then we'll do 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to use the base coat just so we can see what it's like. Let's have a quick look at it. Right, so it's not a very thin, it's not thin, it's not thick, it's nice consistency actually. That's how I like my base coats. I don't like runny base coats, and I don't like really thick ones either, so I'm happy with that. So I'm just I'll just give this one swatch stick a base coat. I don't need to base coat them all, just to see how it cures. Oh, I'm not going to like these swatch sticks, I can tell already. I'm not going to like them one bit. How do you... Yeah, I don't like these swatch sticks at all. Right, I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds just to see how it cures. See if it does cure. And then we'll get these colours swatched. Right, so we're going to start with... So they're all numbered A001 up to A006. So we're going to start with 1, which is like... should I bring you down a bit? Yeah, this is like a purple neon. The reason I went for this set as well is because it didn't look like your average. Yeah, I don't like these swatch sticks already. Don't like them. Yeah, it didn't look like your average neons. They looked really cool. They look like really smart colours. That's gone on beautifully. You know, I've noticed I've got a couple of neon sets. They're always really sheer and transparent. I mean, these are slightly sheer, but I like that colour. That's a really nice colour, isn't it? I like that. I do. Right, shall we do the next one? 002. So this is a hot pink. Hot pink. I'll tell you something. This is really creamy. It's not jelly-like you get with a lot of neon colours. This is really creamy and opaque. Wow, I like that. I really like that. These are nothing like the neons I've got. Even my Beatles neons, these are beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Right, next one, 003. I suppose the good thing about these sticks is I don't have to cure it after each colour. I can do 3 in a row. Oh, I like these, guys. I do like these. They're not like any of the neons I've got. These are really pigmented and creamy. I always thought, why are neon colours always jelly-like and sheer? But these are not. Oh, look at them. Look at them. They're beautiful colours, aren't they? Wow, I like them. Right, should we get the next 3 done? Right, so this one is a yellow. They call it yellow mellow. We all live in a yellow submarine. Can you remember them from when you were kids? Right, let's have a look at this yellow. Ooh, I like these. This is not jelly-like or sheer either. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. I'm well impressed. Not impressed with these swatch sticks. I won't be getting these again. I will actually, because they were free. Oh, look at that as well. Look at that as well. Yeah, these are not jelly-like at all. They're not transparent. Right, let's try the green. This is the same. It's so smooth and creamy. I love it. I love it. Wow, again, look at that. Look at those colours. Oh, these are going to be so cool for summer. Oh, my OCD doesn't like these swatch sticks. Right, let's do the last one. Blue one. I like this blue. Oh, I love it. I love all of these. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed with this neon collection. This is the nicest neon collection I've ever seen. Honestly, it is. I love it. I love it. Oh, what have I just done that for? Yeah, I'm going to have to get used to these swatch sticks. Right, I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Oh, I can't believe these. They're so nice. Right, so that's the colours. I can't believe, do you know, that is the first ever neon collection I've not had to give a second coat. Look at them colours. Wow. Right, I'm just going to give them a quick top coat using this top coat. So let's have a look at the top coat. Again, it's not a runny one and it's not really thick. It's just nice. I'm so impressed with this brand so far. I swatched their... I got a pack of 20 gel polishes, which I swatched yesterday. I'll show you a quick peek in a minute. And I loved them. They were all one coat. Really smooth, really pigmented. And I really, really enjoyed swatching them. I don't normally enjoy I know some people enjoy swatching gel polishes. I actually don't. But when it's a gel polish like this that I'm really impressed with, yeah, it can be quite enjoyable. And I really, really enjoyed swatching that pack of 20 yesterday. I really did. These are beautiful. I can't say enough about them. They're really, really nice neon gel polishes. I've never known neons to be so opaque and just nice. I love that blue as well. I love that blue. Right, I'm going to cure them quickly. And I'll quickly show you the 20 that I swatched yesterday. This came with a black and a white as well, but I didn't swatch the black and the white. So this is the colours that came in the pack of 20. Look at that. There's a neon in there. But it's got this, this has got like holographic flakies in it, this glittery one. And look at this one, it's got like a yellowy gold shimmer to it. Doesn't really show up so much on camera, but it's beautiful. And this one as well. But that's all the colours. There's a red, nice yellow, blue. Even the dark blue, which are normally quite sheer, this shade of blue. Really pigmented and opaque. Yeah. So that's all the colours that came in the set of 20. They're absolutely beautiful colours. And so nice to use. So nice to use. Anyway, let me put the lid on this top coat before I knock it over. So that is the neon set. How cool are they for neons? They're so nice. I love them. I really, really like them. They're quite unusual neon colours, aren't they? They are. They're quite unusual neon colours. I can't wait to use them in summer. I really like them. I do. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. So that's the brand there. I will leave the link below to this particular set. And I'll leave the link below to the top and base coat set as well, that you get 3 of each in. And they're 15ml bottles. They are huge. But yeah, I'll leave links below. I can't wait to use some of these in summer. They're beautiful. I love this purple. I do. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel with your notifications on so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.
Everything you're fighting for.